here with Chef Rick for Whirlpool Canada, and we're gonna cook today, and I'm excited what we're gonna cook. Fried chicken.
Fried chicken, but not your traditional fried chicken.
Okay.
We're gonna make a healthier version in our 7-in-1 air fry Whirlpool oven. It's like the healthier version of fried chicken. Because I can eat fried chicken all day long, but we know we can't do that, right?
Well, I'd like to do that.
I can't do that. Yeah.
I could certainly not do that. Okay, so you're going to take us through kind of your recipe. Now, how is this recipe special to you?
So, you know, it's called a lollipop chicken. There's a lot of prep that's involved, but when you serve, when there's popular big festivals like Diwali or whatnot, we bring this dish out, and it's fun, it's creative, and people enjoy it. Like it's just something that's a wow factor when you're walking around with it. It's like a little lollipop. Literally on a plate. You think lollipop, you think sweet, but it's not sweet.
Well, that's what I was kind of thinking. I was like, how's he going to pull out a lollipop chicken?
I'm going to show you.
All right, well, let's get started. Can I do a little bit of the prep?
Of course, yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to give you some gloves.
Okay. And this is a really popular recipe in your restaurant as well, right? This is one of your popular
tandoori fried chicken is the top selling item.
Okay.
And then this is the tandoori fried, air fried chicken.
Okay.
So it's baked, but it's similar taste profiles and crispy and crunchiness, all that. So what we're going to do, we're going to take that piece there, and what we're going to do, we're going to try to replicate this here. We have to literally take our knife.
Which one?
Cut, let's take this one here, and we're going to cut around the go all the way around.
Without cutting my fingers off.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna pull that back, and if you need help, we can use this guy here, and I can show you. Let me just grab some gloves here.
And I'm like, I think I need help like now.
Yeah, I know, it's a lot of work.
It's
but
tough.
I promise you, it's gonna be fun. So,
Here.
yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this paring knife, we're just gonna go inside.
Okay. Oh.
It's gonna take out your frustration.
Okay.
I know, right?
Easy peasy.
So once you've done that, it kind of looks like this.
Okay.
Right? So we've pulled back all the meat and the skin and all that. And you're basically, what you're going to do is going to pull the meat forward. And you're going to cut the end a little bit so it can stay down like this.
I love it. There's our lollipop.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so when you're walking around a platter, it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
It's cooked.
Yep.
You can pick it up, less mess.
And just like.
Exactly.
Okay. What's next?
Next is our marinade.
Okay.
So we're going to do our marinade. We're going to get our mortar and pestle here.
Okay.
And we've got some ginger, garlic, and we're going to get some chili in there as well. You like it spicy?
Yeah, sure.
All right, cool.
Throw it in. Okay.
Throw that in there.
Oh, this is fun.
This is fun, right?
Yeah.
We're going to take some lemon juice as well.
Okay.
Add a squeeze of lemon juice in there.
Oh my gosh, it smells amazing already.
Smells great, right? Wakes you up.
Okay, don't go anywhere because coming up on Morning Live, we're gonna finish doing the marinade. We are going to dress the chicken. We're gonna cook the chicken, and then we're going to eat the chicken. So there's lots more coming up with Chef Rick on Morning Live. Well, I'm trying to do my best job here making this marinade with Chef Rick. And how am I doing?
You're doing fantastic.
Am I?
Yes, it smells beautiful. You got the right.
It does smell good.
You know, like, I don't have to do anything. This is perfect. This is a great gig.
Right? I know. Well, I'm learning something too here. And I really like learning about new appliances that are going to make my life a little bit easier. And as a mom, I need something like that because I need to streamline my busy life.
Exactly. And you know, that's why this oven is so great because it's, first of all, I'm in a condo. I don't have much counter space.
Right.
So I can't add a bunch of appliances. So this oven is amazing because it's like a beast of an oven. Yeah. And then it's got the air fry function in it as well. And so when you make something in it, it's just crispy, it's juicy, it's the most beautiful dish, and less cleanup because there's an air fryer basket which you can just throw right into the dishwasher.
So does it take, it's shorter time, shorter cooking time?
It is. For an air fry, yes.
Yeah.
Because what happens is the air is circulating around the basket. And so you're locking in all the flavors, and it's taking less time. So if you're cooking a chicken at 45 minutes, you can cook this in about 25 to 30 minutes.
See, that is what's good for busy families because, you know, parents that have small kids, it's like you've got school, then you've got practice, then you've got this, and then you've got that, you've got meetings, you've got...
You need to save time.
Yeah.
Right? Time is money. Time is everything.
Thanks, Whirlpool, for helping us save money. Okay, so now that I've done this, now what?
So now we're going to take our little spatula. I'll just help you out here.
Yes, please.
And we're going to scoop out all this goodness and put it right to our chicken.
Okay.
You know, you want to get the good stuff, right?
Yeah, of course.
And then we're just going to mix this with our hands. So I'm going to get you to mix that.
Oh, this is the fun part.
Yeah.
I know it's kind of weird, but I like doing this kind of stuff.
And then we're gonna add a half of an egg into that as well at the same time.
Okay.
Okay.
And mix it all in.
Yep. And we're gonna add also 2 tablespoons of ghee.
Oh, ghee, is that the secret recipe?
That's a secret, right?
I feel like that is going to be the secret recipe.
Just a nice nuttiness that'll be really nice
Oh my
with
gosh,
the
this
chicken.
looks so good.
And then after you've done mixing that, we're gonna add our flour and corn flour.
Okay.
All right, so some flour there, and this is gonna
This
make
is to crisp it up,
exactly.
right? Okay.
And you know, we're not using much oil at all. You were just using ghee. So your
I feel like
traditional fried
I didn't
chicken,
put
you're
any.
using a lot of oil, right?
Yeah.
So there's no oil, it's ghee, it's healthier, and we're gonna get that beautiful crispy exterior that we're looking for in fried chicken.
Okay, are we oven ready?
Oven ready.
Okay, we are going to put this into the air fry oven and we are going to see how it turns out. But for now, I'm going to turn things back inside to you guys. All right, my cooking continues. I am now putting the chicken in what, Rick?
So we're putting in our air fry basket. Now we're gonna put them upside. So I've cut the end there.
They're slippery like
Yeah,
this.
yeah, exactly, like that. So when
I
it
gotta
cooks,
get this back down
there
there.
you go. Beautiful.
Okay.
So this is our air fry basket that comes with our air fry oven. And it's cool because it literally circulates air around this basket.
Okay.
And it locks in all those juices like I was saying earlier. And it's dishwash friendly. So
Amazing.
like you don't have to wash a bunch of dishes after. It's one pot dish.
Okay. Oh, I must have done this one. It's not very stable.
That's okay. That's okay. We'll fix it afterwards.
Stay.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we literally just put them on the basket and then we're gonna pop them in our oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. The beauty of the oven is you don't have to preheat it. You just turn it on
Really?
and on it goes. And
Is that just an air fry mode?
that's an air fry mode, yeah. So there's
Wow.
an air fry mode here.
Okay, I was just about to ask because for those of us that are not, chefs by any stretch,
Yeah.
There's also regular mode on the oven.
That's correct. This
So it's
one's
like-
got everything.
It's like taking away that separate air fryer that a lot of people have really gotten into because air
Exactly.
fry cooking, it's not new, but it's
No.
relatively new to the commercial market,
It
like
is.
for people like myself
Yep.
to buy.
It is, yep. And so that's why this, oh, sorry, this guy does not want to
See?
stay up.
Good, I'm glad it wasn't just me.
Stay. Okay. We're just gonna put it against this guy here because they want to be friends. These guys want to be friends.
Okay,
Yeah.
this one too, maybe.
This guy wants to be a friend
needs
as
to be
well.
friends.
Yeah, he needs friends. They need friends. That's it. There you go.
Okay, so air fry cooking basket goes in.
Yes. And just make sure
400.
you have a tray underneath to capture all those juices.
Right, that's something I would probably
Yeah.
forget.
And we're gonna close this. We're gonna put this to 400 degrees. Okay, we're gonna start, but we're also going to change this into air fry mode.
That is so cool.
There we go.
I love how you can do so many different things with one simple appliance that is relatively new to, everyday Joes like me.
Yeah, and that's the beauty of it. It's like everyone's so busy with their everyday life. So if this beast can take care of everything,
Yeah.
why not?
So you can
right?
bake in it.
You can bake in it. You can broil. You can. There's convection oven.
I was just about to ask, is there a
there's
convection oven?
convection,
I never
there's
understood how to use a
There's
convection
a cake
oven.
bake as well, right? And basically, we're just transforming and building on traditional family meals with this air fry oven. That's the beauty of it. And I love it. I use it every day.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're a
it's fun.
chef.
Yeah.
People
yeah.
like me would use it every day though too?
Yeah, you as well.
Yeah.
But the thing is, as a chef, I don't want to be cleaning so much afterwards. I want to come home and just put something in the oven and that's it.
So what, is it self-clean?
It's got a self-clean option as well.
I bet it does. Okay, coming up, we're actually going to be trying this delicious chicken and more about the air fry oven coming up on Morning Live. We did it.
We did it. You did it.
Well, I don't know. I think you mostly did it. Well, you gave me all the good advice on how to cook the lollipop chicken. I love the name.
Right? It's fun. You can just pick it up and
Yep.
you're good to go, right?
Okay, I'm gonna try
You
it.
can try it? Okay.
Of course. Is it really spicy? Like, is it gonna burn my mouth off?
No, you should be okay.
And what am I dipping it
So
in?
this is like our curry sauce that we serve at a restaurant. It's like a yogurt with like mint, ginger, garlic, and all that good stuff. And you can see it's nice and crispy, right?
But,
Right?
oh my gosh, that
Flavorful?
is so good.
Thank you. Flavorful, crispy, reminds you of the fried chicken.
But not
But not,
fried.
right?
Like, it tastes healthier. Like
That's
the
a-
texture.
Right? And that's the beauty of that air fry oven, the Whirlpool air fry oven. It literally just bakes it around, locks in all the juices, and you get that fried chicken feeling. But not fried chicken. There's no oil.
what's the difference? Like, if I was to make this in my traditional oven?
So you can make this in your traditional oven, but you're not going to get that beautiful crispiness because of that air fry basket. That technology that they've built, Whirlpool has built, that air circulates around that basket. It really locks in those juices.
Okay, and what if I was to make it in one of those, countertop air fryers that have become so popular these days?
Yeah, you can do that too. But the beauty of this is now I'm in a condo, right?
Yeah.
I don't have much space on my counters, so I can't have every appliance on the counter. So this has got your traditional oven functions, but also the air fry function. You don't have to preheat it. You just turn it on like an air fryer. It works as an air fryer, but it's got the 7-in-1 features in it as well, which is the beauty of it.
7-in-1.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a beast of an appliance for sure. It makes your life so much more convenient, especially as a busy person with work and kids and everything else that people have going on right now.
Exactly.
To be able to cook a nice, healthy meal in a fraction of the time that you would in your regular oven.
Exactly.
That makes all the difference.
Exactly. We're just transferring and building flavors with this beautiful oven. And the awesome part is the air fry, the basket that's in there is dishwash friendly. So it's one basket, you put everything in there, you throw it in the oven, take everything out, and out it goes in the dishwasher.
So there's no cleanup.
There's no cleanup.
Lickety split.
You're chilling.
Okay, so if somebody wants to do a little bit more research on the air fry oven, they want to purchase one, I'm sure you can probably get them at stores, but where should they go to get more info?
Whirlpool.ca. Whirlpool.ca has all your ovens and appliances there.
Okay.
And if you want to check out this one, it's the 7-in-1 air fry oven that you can check.
Air fry oven. Okay. I'm going to be coming over more often, I think. You're like, hey, Chef Rick, want to help me with some recipes?
But then you're going to be cooking for me because I've taught you now how to make everything, and so it's a nice trade-off.
All right, maybe I'm not going over. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.
We've had a great time. We've learned a lot, and
Appreciate
our
it.
tummies are full.
I'm glad you guys enjoyed it.
Thank you.